Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get enemy eye filters for your dogs. So for this, what you have to do, you have to go to this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. In Snapchat you will see this screen. Tap on unlock for 48 hours. Okay, looking for dog. Now turn my camera. Okay, likewise. Okay, there is a blink effect also. Likewise. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this enemy eyes filter for your dog. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.